Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to type spoiler block text on Steam. This is a handy feature when you want to share something sensitive without immediately revealing it to everyone viewing your comments. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Steam app and log into your account. Once you're logged in and on the main interface, direct your attention to the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see an option labeled Friends and Chat. Go ahead and click on it to open your friends list and chat interface. Now, here's an important note before we proceed. The example I'm about to show you is just for demonstration purposes and is not intended to randomly harm anyone. I just want to make sure that's clear as we walk through this tutorial. From your friends list, locate the friend whose profile you want to leave a comment on. Right-click on their name and from the menu that appears, select View Profile. This will take you directly to their Steam profile page where you can interact with their content and leave comments. Once you're on their profile, scroll down until you find the comment section. You'll see a text field where you can type your message. This is where the spoiler formatting comes into play. In the text field, type open bracket spoiler, close bracket, open bracket, slash spoiler, close bracket. This serves as the spoiler block text format that Steam recognizes and will automatically convert into a hidden text block. Now, here's the key part. Position your cursor inside the spoiler tags right between close bracket and open bracket. Click there and type anything you want to hide as a spoiler. This could be a game ending, a plot twist, or any information you want to keep hidden until someone actively chooses to reveal it. Once you've typed your spoiler content, click Post Comment to publish it on their profile. After posting, you'll notice your text appears as a black highlighted block. This is exactly what you want to see. The spoiler is now hidden from immediate view. To reveal the hidden text, simply hover your mouse over the black highlight and your spoiler text will appear. This allows other users to choose whether they want to see the spoiler or not, giving them control over potentially sensitive information. And that's all there is to it. You've now mastered how to format spoiler text on Steam, making your comments more considerate and user-friendly. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.